So, have you heard about ShaderGlass? It's this overlay tool that lets you run GPU shaders on your desktop.
Wait, really? That sounds intriguing. What kind of shaders are we talking about here?
They have over 1,200 shaders. Think CRT monitor simulations, image upscaling, and even VHS effects.
Wow, that's a lot. So you can apply these effects to anything on your desktop.
Exactly, you can run it in a floating window or full screen over your games or YouTube.
That sounds super versatile, but how does it handle performance? I can imagine it might lag.
Good question, it works with most emulators and retro platforms. They've optimized it for performance.
Nice, so you could potentially play an old game and add shaders to give it a modern twist.
Exactly, imagine playing something like Police Quest with a modern shader applied.
That would be a trip, but I'm curious, how user-friendly is it for people who aren't tech-savvy?
It's pretty customizable with options, but I think it might be overwhelming for some.
Right, too many options can be paralyzing. Do they have any presets to make it easier?
Yeah, they include presets, plus you can save and load your own profiles, which is great.
That's a relief. I was worried it might be a steep learning curve.
Totally understandable, and there's support for USB capture inputs too.
Oh, interesting. So you could even capture gameplay or stream with shaders.
Exactly, it works well with OBS and can enhance your streaming visuals.
That's a game changer for content creators. But what about system requirements?
You need Windows 10 version 2004 or 11 with a DirectX 11 GPU to run it smoothly.
Sounds reasonable. But what if someone is on an older version of Windows?
They can still use it, but with limited features, no desktop glass mode, for instance.
I see, that's a bummer. But the desktop glass mode sounds really cool.
It creates a transparent window applying effects to whatever's behind it.
That's wild. I can imagine using that for creative projects or just for fun.
For sure, it's like a creative playground for retro enthusiasts.
But what about the quality of the shaders? Are they actually effective?
The quality is quite good, but it can depend on the individual shader's designs.
That makes sense. Custom shaders can vary widely in effectiveness.
Exactly, some might feel a bit gimmicky while others could be stunning.
Still, the potential for customization is impressive. I wonder how they handle updates.
They seem to regularly roll out updates and fixes, which is great for users.
That's crucial for keeping the software relevant and functional.
Right, and they even have a demo on YouTube to showcase its capabilities.
Oh, cool. I'll have to check that out. It could really help visualize everything.
Definitely, and it shows different shaders in action, which is super helpful.
I love that they provide resources like that. It really makes a difference.
Absolutely, but I wonder if there's a risk of shader overload though.
Good point. Too many effects could muddy the visuals instead of enhancing them.
Exactly, finding that balance is key. Maybe moderation is the best approach.
For sure, you want enhancement, not distractions. That's the sweet spot.
Right, and I'm curious how different shaders interact with various games.
That could be a mixed bag. Some games might react better than others.
True, just like how different emulators handle graphics differently.
Exactly. There's always that variability with tech, isn't there?
Yep, but with ShaderGlass, it feels like they're bridging some of those gaps.
It's a fascinating tool. I can see a lot of creative applications for it.
Absolutely, it's like giving retro games a new life with modern flair.
And the nostalgia factor can't be overlooked. It's a win-win.
Exactly, but it also raises questions about how we experience art and nostalgia.
For sure, it's a blend of old and new that could redefine how we interact with games.
And that's what makes it exciting. The potential is almost limitless.
Definitely, I can't wait to see how this evolves in the future.